Miss Young Wild and Free, whoa, yeah. Miss Young Wild and Free, where do you be?
Wow! I look like a mad person.
Really?
The money has gone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jane.
J Square.
Embarrassing me now, stop.
You're not embarrassing yourself. So this girl came to my
Do you know
house.
that my suitors are probably on your phone?
Really?
Interesting.
Interest.
Husband, and this is not my most fine husband. Ah.
Whoa, the sun's in my eye. But good morning, y'all. I am going out today. I'm going to the spa because your girl needs to be taken care of and is absolutely sick of this lifestyle. Hi. Hi. Yeah.
What's an entanglement? So cool, yeah,
Is that all you wanted? Is that all you wanted?
give me entanglement. Show get together.
Saying I love you ain't enough for now. I gotta show you how. I'ma show you what you put me down. Let me stress you out. Sweet loving will make you sound. Something that is quite profound. Give you what is love up and down. But you ain't me on me now. Cause I'm waiting.
Hey guys. Okay, so we're at La Campagne. Yeah, we're at La Campagne, and we just got we have a private pool. We got like a 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom. Didn't have time to think, look around and everything just yet because we're still trying to unpack and load off a lot of our stuff and everything, and we're just chilling for our fam and everything. But yes, so far loving it. It's okay, so the pool is actually over there. The pool is actually, yes, okay, so the pool's actually over there. Super lit, you guys. It's actually super cool. I'm super excited for the weekend, spending Independence weekend, whatever. I'm super excited about spending the weekend here, but I'm not super excited that it's Independence because let's not get into that. You know what I'm saying? 2010, you know what the real deal is. But anyway, you guys, see you in a bit.
See, this place is not even bad. They take the life. That's what I was here, man.
Lit.
When they take the like this, that's what we're about to do.
You guys, we have a private pool. You guys have a private pool as well. Probably take you guys down there later when I decide I want to go. Forget. Hey guys, so we moved to a different villa. Oh my god, and the new one is so gorgeous. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Look at the ocean view we got, y'all. So stunning. Oh my gosh. I'll show y'all the rooms later, but right now I'm just real big life chilling by myself. What's up, Luvies? Good morning. Oh my god. I'll explain everything later. My voice is in the trenches because last night I was screaming. I'll explain later, but let me just get myself together because I need to go eat breakfast. But other than that, yeah, everything is vibes at the moment. I don't know what we're going to do. Probably swim and hang out. Yeah.
Originally this thing is got that sauce. I see cute things in your eyes. I start saying.
All right, finally out. We're gonna go get breakfast soon, boys. Yeah, we're gonna go get breakfast soon and everything. We're just chilling for the fam, cause you know how it go. You know how it go. Hey guys, just woke up. So let me tell you what happened. Had breakfast. When done with breakfast, just went straight to bed. I was meant to go swim. And stuff. Ended up not doing any of that. Just waking up. And yeah, just actually a tad bit hungry now. It's so windy, y'all. Look at this ocean. Bro, straight up, so nice, like so nice. And the first night here was actually kind of really awesome. With you because it was just like listening to the ocean, like in the background and stuff. It was actually so nice. Still trying to partially wake up. I'm probably gonna find something to eat. All right.
Originally this thing is got that sauce. Like crazy, just be on Hennessy, crazy. I see cute things in your eyes. I start saying, I see Hennessy, I'm never blind. But girl, you looking too fine for me. Spiritually got me insane. Spiritually running my brain. Oh, baby, yeah, you got the keys to my be my moving quick. I got you with the vibe with the guys, but I'ma put you in front and slide. One hand on the whip, one hand in